heading back to the car. I'm trying to dry my underwear because it's so wet. We didn't bring extra clothes, not even a towel, because I was not expecting to bathe there. But it was good, mate. No harsh lights today. Much better than this morning. How are you, Laura? Are you holding up? Yeah. Check that one. All dried up and good to go. She's all good with the food. Nothing. Yeah, we're heading back now. We weren't able to find those little circle hole thingies. I might post a photo now somewhere, but it's all good because the falls was majestic itself. If you have a chance to come here, please do. And if you're physically fit, you can go down to the lower falls. We can even go down lower, but that was good enough for us. Look at those amazing rocks down there. It's quite bumpy the road is, but those rocks are so awesome. With all these trees here, but yeah, you can see the flat Australia around there. This is one of the peaks. I'll show you the other peak. That's one of those peaks there. Yep, looks so nice. So that ends our Rockhampton Blackwater upper trip. We're heading to Noosa in a few. Oh, there's a walkway out there. There's a walking path out there. There's a rock. Might be a viewing deck. But let's check it out. No, I'm tired. I'm tired. Anyway, we're heading to Noosa. I'll be driving around 7 hours. We'll see if we can reach there. If not, we're gonna just get accommodations around the area. But for now, yeah, this is it. Hair looks like shit, but we're all good. Everything's right. And check out our car. It's like artistically done. There's our car. Cool. Okay, let's get it. Suicidal cows.
Or it could be kita suicidal. Agita growth.
Look at that. He's looking at me. And the rest are looking at us. The suicidal cows. There you go. Okay, we're gonna go to the next group of cows.
Turn them into burger patties anyway.
Black burger patties. He's looking at us. He's looking at us. He's looking at us. He's running for his life.
It's a fucking bull.
It's a fucking bull. Not that big. The other one's is. Okay, we're clear from all the cows now. Just chilling. We're traveling all the way from here to Hervey Beach. And it's a long 6-hour drive. And the kangaroos are out now, so it's kind of... There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. That stupid thing. It's gonna come back. Stupid. Yeah.
Mommy, what should I do? What should I do? Mommy! Mommy, the car's coming over. What the fuck? The car's... Oh shit, Mike. What are you going? Cow, go away!
Go to the side, Sigurd.
Yeah, I'm gonna go to this side.
It looks angry.
Yeah, it looks very angry. It's young though.
You know what we do to young cows?
We eat them.
Yeah, we roast them.